Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the Spyfu strategy, and if you don't know what Spyfu is, it's a website that allows you to analyze your prospects' website traffic and their SEO ranking. And what we're going to do is that we're going to put this analyze in the background of your video to humanize and personalize your cold outreach approach. And this is going to make it impossible for your prospects to understand that your campaigns are automated, since they see their own website in the background of your video, as well as their own website traffic ranking and their company name. So I'm going to show you how to transform a normal lead list like this one into personalized videos like these at scale. And obviously you can do it with several hundreds of your leads and then send it in your favorite cold outreach tool. So here I'm using Smart Lead, and this is how it's going to look like inside of your email. And this works especially well if you're an SEO agency or if you simply want to try a new approach that actually works. I'm Magdalena, co-founder of RepliQ, and let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're trying to achieve. We want to make it look like we went to spyfu.com and that we put our prospects' website here in order to get their SEO ranking overview while we are recording our video and sharing our screen. But if you're doing cold outreach, you know that one-by-one videos works really well. You're going to get replies, but this takes far too much time. So we want to automate this process and generate personalized videos, but at scale. So how do we do that? So we would need a link like this adapted to each of our leads. And if you look at this link, you can see that it consists of two parts, this part and our prospect's website. So what we want to do is that we take in this part and we copy it, and then we go into our prospect list and we're going to find our prospect's websites, which is here. And when you found it, we're going to create two more columns, 1, 2. And then in the first one, we're going to put this link. And when we have this link here, you can find the plus there and just double click on it, and it's going to be the same for all of our leads. And in the second column, we're going to put the Spyfu, final Spyfu URL. So we're going to use this formula that looks like this. This one appends strings to one another, and we're going to collect this column, comma, and space, and then we're going to use this. And when we have it, we're just going to do like that and autofill, and then it's going to be this link combined with the websites one by one here. So instead of doing this manually, you now have a list with a Spyfu link adapted to each of your leads. So when you have this prospect list with the Spyfu links, you're going to download it as a CSV file. And when you have it as a CSV file, we're going to repliq.co. And this is how it looks like. And as you can see, we remade our dashboard to make it much more easy to find the feature that you're looking for. So the personalized texts are here, personalized videos here, and personalized images are here. And then you have the template in order to launch your processes faster. But in this case, we're going to use the video, and then we're going to use the Spyfu background. And here we are uploading our video file. And this video file is going to be visible here while you're having the Spyfu link in the background of your video. And in the next step, what worked really well for our SEO agencies using this approach is to add another video where they are screen sharing their screen, showing a use case that are similar to the companies that they have in their prospect list, sharing testimonials, or before and after results, what they can do for the prospect. So adding another video that we are going to stitch with the first video. So the final video is going to look something like this, where they first see you in the bubble in the corner and their Spyfu analyze in the background of your video. And then it's going to switch to the second video where you can see that I just made this as an example, but where you can use a use case or testimonial or something else to share in the second part. So this is how you do it in RepliQ. You're adding another second video here, and then you click next. And here you're importing your CSV file that we just downloaded. So we're just going to use that Spyfu test file. And as you can see, we have all of our columns here, And we also have the Spyfu URL here. So when we click next, we are going to match our columns to make sure that the right column is matched with the right header, and then next. And here we can see that when the company name is way too long like this, we're just going to put this like that and find, yeah, like that. And when we have all of them cleared, we can submit our file. And in this last step, since we're having 2 videos now, we will need to have 10 seconds, because I know that my first video is 10 seconds long, and then we want to switch to a full screen. So this is how it's going to look, like that, and then it switches to the full screen, right? Okay. And we can also choose our video option here to have the video on the bottom right and to have it as a square. So you can see that it's going to look something like that. And in this case, we want to have it in this corner because we want to be able to show them their data like that here. So if you're putting the bubble here, it's going to hide a big part of what we want the prospect to see. So this option is much better for this video. And then we're going to add the call to action button, link it to your website or something else here, and then you can change the button color to your branding colors if you want. And you can also add your Calendly, and when you're having all of these options, then the video is going to turn out like this, where you're having your bubble here, you're having the call to action button there, and you're having your Calendly on the video page. And you can also replace our logo to your own logo and add your own custom domain to make this look like your own video. Okay, so when we have all of this, we just start the video creation. And when the videos are done, you find it under this option here. And as you can see, we have 92 out of 92 URLs, and we can go to the preview to see how the videos turned out. And when you have your file, you can then download this file to a CSV file and then upload this CSV file in your cold outreach tool. In our case, we just imported the leads inside of Smart Lead, and then we put it in a sequence, and then this is the final review of how the videos are going to look like inside of your emails. So I really hope that this makes sense and that you can see how impactful it is for your prospects to receive their own SEO ranking analyzed in the background of your video. How impactful and humanized this approach is without actually needing to do a one-by-one video. So if you have any questions, make sure to go to our website. We have a live chat there. We are online almost 24/7. Just ask your questions there. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and I look forward to talk to you again soon. Bye.